in number 777, which is at Fraser Nash Nürburgring, 1932. Patrick specialised in Fraser Nash drivers. Into the pit lane, and this is within the pit window. We've got However, I think there's a problem down there. Andrew Murray, I believe. Andrew, are you anywhere near that car?
Yeah, I am. They're looking underneath the car and trying to catch a word in the moment it's still running. And there's a discussion going on about what the problem is. What is it? Is an engine problem?
The right side, one of the strikes up was very slow, so I don't want to drop in yours, but just check it.
Thank you very much. The best that I ever know that.
Gentlemen racing.
Gentlemen racing, indeed, absolutely.
Yeah, good heads up there from William. William aircraft.
Yes, right. Well, a very interesting crash helmet, and it's got a unit jack on top of it. Then it's got a ring around the crash helmet, and coming out of that, race to the Le Mans Classic, as far as I can tell. Oh, a nice crash helmet. So, see Derby to see if I can get down there, and happy working on a motorcycle leathers, that's what she wears, and there we are, changing the plug. So if you're looking out of the car's series, it's the right hand cylinder, and can they get this done in a minute? I think so. Husband working away there, and there's not been any it's such a display of magnificent motor car, it's so different, isn't it? I mean, as well as the engine, you can see the valves going on down the engine, so it's actually, Chris Ward actually BJ Murray is sort of down here with the blatantly motorsport people with a helmet on, so I was in one Chris Ward driving the car. So in this particular race, I am assuming that the other not going to stop. Yes, well, running down here, so he must